मैंने ये सेशंस कब शुरू किए? When I was quite young, like perhaps I was 21 or 20 years of age when I started this working इस तरह से. One of the key motivation was there was no one else to tell me how to do things. I had a lot of questions in my head. मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारे सवालात थे, and सवालात की एक ढेर थी. It was one question after the other. And despite I had excellent teachers, I had excellent schooling, but despite ये जो कुछ सवालात थे, they were deep. They needed more digging out. They needed more discussions. They needed more energy to learn and go through that all. मुझे उनका जवाब नहीं मिलता था. So मैंने सोचा कि चूंकि मुझे जवाब नहीं मिला, तो मैं इंतकामन बाकी लोगों को जवाब जरूर दूँ. It's kind of a revenge that मैं आप लोगों से revenge, positive revenge है. लोग कहते हैं जी मुझे फलां चीज़ नहीं मिली, मैं लोगों को भी हासिल नहीं करने दूँगा. This is my quest. कि जो चीज़ मुझे जब टाइम चाहिए था, the guidance that I didn't have, लेकिन अब मेरे पास चीज़ मौजूद है. Why shouldn't I be sharing it with a lot of people who need it? और आपको आज जब by the end of session जब खत्म हो जाएगा, आप realize होगा okay, this is something I've been waiting for. और इंशाल्लाह ये चीज़ें बहुत चीज़ें आपकी ज़िंदगी में गाइडलाइन बनेगी.